Are you confused about what an S Corp is? How do you turn your business into one and maintain it? Keep watching because I will explain it right now. An S corporation is not really a business structure at all. It is a special tax status that can save you money come tax time. This is because it is a pass-through entity, which means you file your business taxes together along with your personal taxes. Not every business can become an S Corp. Some companies are ineligible, such as certain financial institutions and insurance companies. According to the IRS, you must also be able to meet a few requirements, which include be a domestic corporation, have only allowable shareholders, have no more than 100 shareholders, and have only one class of stock. It's also important to note that some states and jurisdictions don't recognize S corporations at all, like Texas and New York City, so make sure you are in a place that does. How do you make an S Corp? S corporations must start as another business type, usually an LLC or a C Corp. If you form an LLC, all you have to do is elect S Corp tax status when you request your EIN. To go from a C Corp, you elect S Corp status from the IRS. The form you fill out is called Form 2553. You may be thinking, what's the difference between an LLC and an S Corp? While both provide liability protection, S Corps offer corporations with 100 shareholders. They are also taxed differently, which is why many decide to change into an S Corp, as it has the potential for thousands in federal income savings. An S Corp pays income tax and self-employment tax on a predetermined salary, while an LLC pays personal income tax and self-employment on the entire amount of the company's profits. It's best to see some type of business advisor or CPA to help you figure out a compatible business structure for you. So let's say you do decide to go with an S Corp. How do you maintain your S Corp status? Fortunately, you do not have to elect S Corp status every year, as it's only a one-time thing. As an S Corp, you'll need to create and file the same paperwork as a C Corp, such as articles of incorporation, employment tax forms, and income tax returns, of course. Depending on your local city and county government, you might also need to do local tax filings. Make sure you see an accountant to know which taxes you need to file and when. By law, you must also hold an annual shareholder meeting and record the minutes, even if you're only one person, which is a weird requirement. Make sure you are also not one of those states that require a publication where you publish an announcement in a newspaper about your company's formation. Maintaining an S Corp can take more work than an LLC, but you must weigh the pros and cons to see if this is the right business move for you. No matter what business structure you have, if you need business funding, we can help. First Union Lending offers numerous financing programs designed with small businesses in mind. Our business loans are fast and flexible, with financing options ranging from $5,000 to $2 million. Call today to learn more about our various financing solutions to help your business grow and become successful.